Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, let's talk about how to make money online, how to do your investment, how to start dollar arbitrage and things. Yeah, but disclaimer, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student who love making money online. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can do dollar arbitrage the right way and the right apps you have to use if you're in Ghana or Nigeria or Kenya or Cote d'Ivoire or Cameroon, any part of Africa. Yes, I'll be showing you three apps or even 4 to 5 apps that you have to follow. Yeah, but I have my mentorship in the description in case you want to be under my mentorship and earn money on this platform. You see, today though the market is slow, but I've been withdrawing some small profits from today. Yeah. So I will show you everything. So first of all, you will need first app you will need is Xnix, and I will leave all this app in the description. You will need Xnix. Second, you will need Paxful. I'll come here and show you everything and what you have to do and not to do. And second one, you will need Remitano, and you can add yellow card or everything to it. But let's focus on this third thing. Next time I'll add all these things to it. Yeah. So first of all, let's go to the Paxful first. So the Paxful, if you create a Paxful, you have to verify it with your phone number, and after that you do your ID card verification. Yeah. So after that, the reason why we use Paxful is like Paxful, you can do your trade on Paxful, and let's go to sell BTC. Let's say USDT. Yeah. So you can sell all your USDT over here and get profit. And this one you can get higher profits and lower profits depending on how you are doing it. Yeah. And there are a lot of scammers on this platform too that you have to be careful. But you also have, like, if you follow my mentorship, I also will teach you how you can identify the real ones and the scammers ones. Yeah. So that means that if you follow my mentorship, you will not run as lost because you know that this person you're trying to trade with is a real person or is a fake person. Yeah, depending on how they approach you and how everything shows. So I'll teach you everything. But today I want to show you these three apps that are very good for dollar arbitrage in Ghana and Nigeria. Yeah. So this thing, so Paxful basically Paxful used you use Paxful for selling your USDT or your cryptocurrencies. You use Paxful to do that. Yeah. So this one, if you register everything, and if you don't know how to verify it, you can hit me up and I'll verify it for you. Yeah, I also do that. Yeah. So you use Paxful to what to sell your USDT. Yeah. So first of all, mostly I buy my USDT or my cryptocurrencies over here because here their rate is very cool. Because when I add their rates to the fee, still I make profit from it. Yeah. So one thing I earn money on this platform is that I buy the USD, I buy the Ghana cedis, and I'll swap it for USDT. So the rate will be very small. So something like this. So you will deposit money in the Ghana cedis account, yeah, and or if you're in Nigeria, this is how you do it. You go to Nigeria. Let me use Nigeria so that because like I'm using Ghana and Nigeria, so I have to make everything. So Nigeria. So let's check the Nigeria wallet. Yeah. So Nigeria, this is how you do it. You go to deposit. Go to deposit. You click on continue. Next, like you add the amount you want to. Because I'm in Ghana, that's why it's showing Ghana. Ah, okay, it didn't change. Yeah, this Nigeria, yeah, deposit, yeah, naira, yeah. So this is naira. So let's say I want to deposit 1 million. So deposit fee is what 50, and this one, if you want to deposit 100 million, they still the deposit fee. Okay, that one it will go high, 50 naira, very small, very small. Then you choose the bank you want to deposit through it. So United Bank of Africa. But when you are using, like when you want to deposit a small amount, that one you get a lot of banks. So let's say I want to deposit, let's say 10,000, 10,000. You see, I'll get a lot of bank over here to deposit into the account. Yeah. So after depositing to the account, then after that, I'll come to swap. I'll swap it. You see, I'll go to the wallet and I'll swap it. That's how we do it. And this one, if you want to know much about it, you follow my mentorship or you join my class on the 30th of next month. That's March, and the class is just $7.45. Just that, yeah, just $7.45, and I'll show you everything. You come here and swap it. So I'll swap the naira for what for the USDT, and you can also enter your own price. You see that thing? Yeah. So after doing this thing, then I come to Paxful and sell it. And when I'm selling it, I use Xness as my receiver account. You can use you can like let's say you can use because like it depends on what you're selling. Because like if I'm selling USDT, if I buy it from Remitano, I'll transfer Remitano to Xness. With Xness, their rate, if I want to withdraw, there's no fee. So after Remitano here, I'll sell, I'll transfer the USDT from here to Xness here. Because here, if I'm doing everything, the fee is zero, zero. They will not charge you anything, any fee. So I'll bring the money here. Then after that, you can see that right now my limit time, my limit is almost done. Yeah. So and this one is done, you can what complete the profile and they will give you unlimited offer. Yeah. So I'll go to I'll transfer the money from Remitano to Xness. Yeah, so the money will be in the Xness. So I'll come to Paxos to trade, and after that I'll transfer the money to Paxos and do the transaction and withdraw the money and chop it. So these three websites can help you in your dollar arbitrage if you're in Ghana or Nigeria or Kenya. You see, but if you don't understand anything, you can chat me and I'll guide you and show you the ways that you can make it work. Because like this platform, you can make up to 180 $161. That's more than, let me try and withdraw and let's see. Mandeli, this one's today, and this one still, I'm still doing it. So let me try and withdraw some more money for you to see that. So 16161 is 2008. So making 2008 Ghana 2008 Ghana cedis a day is not a joke. You should think it's not a joke. It's very nice. Yeah, it's very nice. So these three apps help me, and at times so I add yellow card or ever sent to it. So these apps help me. And if you want to know, I'm not going through details. Like if I want to go details, I will spend more than 1 hour. Yeah, that's why I said if you join my mentorship, that one I'll get time to teach you everything. Yeah, so that you make money like how I'm making money and cashing out online. You see today's date, now to transaction history. You see today's date. You see, today is what 8th February, and I'm cashing out. Yeah, so I'll show you everything. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and share. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. So these three apps help me in my arbitrage journey, and I know it will also help you. So join me and let's cash out. I'm out.